Welcome back to another video. If you're already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification to be notified every time I have a new video. So today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys all the parts that I got for my 350Z. It's my new Z that I bought in Cali. So I'm gonna show you guys all the parts that I got, and that will be going on the car throughout time. Because I got a lot of stuff. So I'm going to show you guys everything, unbox things, because a lot of it needs to be unboxed anyways. So let's get right into this video, and then I'm going to show you guys everything and like my plans for it, because it needs a lot of work right now. So the first thing I got, I don't want to mess it up, is partially carbon fiber fenders from Society. The other one's over here. So those are gonna go on the car. I really want to put them on soon because they're so freaking cute, and I love partially carbon fiber fenders. And then I was kind of thinking about going wide body again with that car, but I don't know because I already have a wide body HR. So do you guys think I should have 2 wide body cars, or should I just leave a stock body? And the reason I'm saying that is because my work wheels, they need heck of work. They're really dirty, and I'm gonna get them like powder coated and everything, but they need new tires because 2 of them did pop. And then I'm missing 2 of the center caps on them and some of the hardware. So basically I kind of need to start like rebuilding these, but I want to put these on the DE. I did have them on there at first, and then they popped, and then I just took them off because I was like, I don't want to deal with this, and because the back didn't fit as well. And the back was too thick, so I ended up taking them off, and now it's just on stocks until I figure it out if I want to wide body it, or I really don't know, or get new wheels. I don't know what I want to do yet, but these are like my favorite wheels I have. So that's gonna be going on there, and let me show you more. And then another thing that I did get is it's like a blue carbon fiber steering wheel from Street Arrow. And it's actually really, really cute. Let me show you guys. Oh, heck no. It's heck dirty. I'm just going to whip that off all the way. But anyways, this is a steering wheel I got, and I'm going to put in the car. I just need a quick release and like a hub and everything. But I got this for the Z that's going to go in there. It's super, super cute. So if you guys want to go to Street Arrow. And then, if you guys know me, I always get seats from NRG. And this time I chose Prisma seats, and I just got the black ones, but I'm gonna unbox them with you guys. Well, I unboxed already because it came in a big box, and oh my god, it was kind of falling apart. But you know when things get shipped and whatnot, these delivery people, bro, what is that noise? Like I'm not good with noises. Like if there's a ghost or whatever it is, I don't. Anyways. Big boxes, like people that deliver stuff, they just be throwing around, and freaking, what's it called, FedEx actually lost my seat brackets that I had got too. So that was a mess, and that's why I haven't installed seats anyways, because I don't have the freaking brackets, and they lost them, and like I don't know what's gonna happen with that yet. So we'll see what happens with that. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys them. And I already know they're going to be super cute because you guys know the back has like this flaky look. And honestly, they're so cute. I'm trying to make a video on my phone too, but you guys know iPhones, they're kind of trash because, like, what's it called? They always run out of storage. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so I was going to use my phone and make a reel with it, but I'm going to just take the footage from here and use it because I don't have storage on my phone. Like, I honestly need a new iPhone because this thing is trash. Anyways, clearly you get to see. These are so freaking clean. They're so nice. Like, I'm obsessed. They kind of stink, but it's okay. They've been wrapped and sitting in the garage. They kind of stink, but it's okay. Dude, these are so freaking nice. These are so clean, guys. Tell me these aren't so freaking cute. Look how cute they are. And then I'm gonna show you the back. Like, look. They're so cute. I'm like obsessed. They're so freaking cute. Oh. And I fit? That's good, right? I fit. I mean, as I should fit. Anyways, so if you guys want NRG seats, specifically the Prisma, I mean, I have the like original NRG ones. I guess I call them the basic ones. Like I have the basic black ones in my HR or the Prisma, but I think the Prisma is like obviously 100 times nicer and way freaking cuter. So if you guys want some, go to NRG and purchase some because look how freaking cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox a big boy box, like a big one, from Fly One / like Society, you know. So shout out to Society for always hooking me up and helping me. Parts that I need, they always come in clutch. So I'm gonna go ahead and try my best to unbox this on video. Really big box, and like it's taller than me. I don't know if you guys can see, like I'm pretty tall, but no, I'm not pretty tall, but I'm like 5'4", you know. But you know, it's big. So we're gonna unbox it right now and go from there. Only one person doing all this is kind of hard. Like, look at me. Okay, so this is how it came packaged. And then it comes with your hardware and whatnot. Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie, like taking that stuff off was better than I thought. Anyways, freaking nice. And I obviously got the hood from Fly One. So if you guys want a carbon fiber hood, head over there too and get one. Man, that was kind of a workout, I'm not gonna lie. Like ripping off the tape and everything, but it's so perfect and it's so clean. Like I love it. I'll show you guys the Z kind of. It's really dirty. I still need to fix the what's it called? My window, no, my door doesn't open from the inside, so I need to find time to fix that because it's so annoying having to roll down my window, open it from the outside, and you know, just constantly having to do that everywhere I go. So I need to fix that. And then my check engine light came on today too, so we're gonna go read the code and see what it is. So I'm gonna turn the card over. I'm gonna show you guys. So the check engine light came on actually today. I had it before, and then I changed the battery, and then it went away for some reason, and then it came back on today. So bro, that's hecka weird. Okay, this is what it says. Oh. So that was pretty much all the parts I have so far for my 350Z, and I really want to wrap it, but I don't know what color I want to wrap it yet. I'm still thinking about it, and I still got to install all the parts anyway, so that's going to be like the last of the things that I do to it. I need to fix that code on it and fix like the door and just a few other things on it that I need to fix. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you guys can comment down below what else you want to see, because I'm now getting back into being consistent again. I'm trying, no promises, but I'm trying. So yeah, so comment down below what else you want to see, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.